In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Inshot on PC and laptop. So in order to do so, we'll need to use an emulator. For me in this video, I'm using BlueStacks. If you don't have it, you can simply just go in any browser and type download BlueStacks. So make sure to go and click on that and make sure to go and download it. So once this is downloaded, you should find yourself here. And as you can see, this is an Android emulator. So I can just go and click on Play Store. And I'm going here to click on search and type Inshot right here. So wait. So just go and type Inshot in here. And here we are. We can just go and click on and install an example. And it is installing. So once it's finished an example, I'll be able to find this right here, and I'll be able to use it like in any other normal PC or phone. So an example, I can just go and click on it, and I'll be able to start using it. So I want to create a new video, photo, and stuff like that. So I'll be able just to start editing my stuff and export it however I want. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.